Alright, I've been testing the Versora Pro Car Steam Cleaner, and here's the honest take after using it on wheels, interior plastics, and a pretty grimy engine bay. First impression, this thing heats up fast. We're talking 10 to 15 seconds, which is honestly impressive. The 2500W output gives you strong, consistent steam, and the 6 pressure settings actually make it useful for different surfaces. I could dial it down for interior trim and crank it up for brake dust on rims. Now the big question, is it worth it? Yes, but only if you understand what it is. It's a steam cleaner, not a vacuum extractor. It loosens dirt and grime really well, but you still need to wipe everything down afterward. It doesn't suck up dirty water. On the downside, it does leave surfaces damp, and you've got to be careful with delicate materials. Compared to bulkier steam canisters, it's way more portable and faster to use. Bottom line, great budget-friendly detailing tool, just don't expect it to do everything for you.